5 home remedies for allergic rhinitis. Different types of allergies are common with men and women of all ages. You can treat seasonal and non-seasonal allergic rhinitis with the help of common and natural home ingredients. Number 1 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another effective remedy for allergic rhinitis due to its antibiotic antihistamine properties. It can help to reduce the intensity of stomach like frequent sneezing, nasal congestion, headache and others. Plus, it plays a key role in regulating the body's immune system. Add 2 teaspoons of the organic unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water. Mix in 1 teaspoon each of the honey and lemon juice. Drink this 3 times daily during the allergy season or until you feel better. Number 2 is stinging nettle. Stinging nettle has been used as antihistamine and anti-inflammatory agents in elevating the medicine for treating seasonal allergies, including allergic rhinitis. It can provide quick relief from the symptoms like nasal congestion, coughing, sneezing, and itching. Add 1 tablespoon of dried stinging nettle leaf to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and add a little honey. Drink it 2 to 3 times daily until your symptoms disappear. You can also take stinging nettle supplements. Consult your doctor first, as this herb may interfere with certain medicals that you are taking. Number 3 is oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic technique that can help to draw out irritants from within your body that cause the allergic rhinitis. Plus, it helps to get rid of the harmful toxin, which in turn is essential to remain healthy throughout life. Plus 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil or coconut oil in your mouth. Swish the oil around your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. Spit the oil, then rinse your mouth off with warm water. Number 4 is probiotics. According to the 2013 studies by the Chinese researchers, the probiotic called Lactobacillus acidophilus can help to reduce the frequency and severity of allergic rhinitis symptoms. Buy a high-quality probiotic supplement that has 1 to 4 billion organisms per capsule. Take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 in the evening for about 1 to 2 weeks. You can also eat probiotic yogurt on a regular basis to boost up your immune system. Number 5 is vitamin C. Vitamin C has antihistamine properties that may help to reduce the allergic symptoms. Plus, vitamin C will help to boost up your immunity system. This in turn will help to prevent the infection as well as shorten the duration of illness. Eat food high in vitamin C like lemon, oranges, broccoli, grapefruits, kiwi, bell pepper, potatoes, strawberries, sprouts, and tomatoes. You can also take vitamin C supplements daily, but it is always best to consult your doctor before taking any supplements. Additional tips: to reduce symptoms, eat a moderately low-fat, high-carbohydrate diet. Acupuncture can also be helpful for people with allergic rhinitis. Eliminate alcohol, caffeine, dairy products from your diet for a few days. You can also take 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed oil daily to reduce the risk of allergic rhinitis. Control dust and dust mites as well as indoor moths and during the allergic season. Wear a simple mask when going out to avoid exposure to dust. Instead of fans which bring in outside air, use an air conditioner in your home and car. Use a dehumidifier indoor to reduce humidity. Take a bath or shower after coming in from outside. Change your clothes often after you're outside to avoid being exposed to allergens. Cover your pillow and mattress with dust mite covers. Keep pets out of your bedrooms. And then drink an ample amount of water each day to keep your body hydrated.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.